Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you Kaun Banega Udyamapati.
Very good morning to all the respected judges. It's a great privilege for me to participate in the Kaun Banega Udyamapati organized by the aicnitte Incubation Center in association with the Karnataka Bank Limited. Myself, Dr.Arun Maiya, the chief founder of the laser shoe technology. Along with me, we have a co-founders, Dr. Sharat Kumar Rao, Dr. Manjunath Hande, Dr. Rashikesh Yadav, as well as the Mr. Karthik Mohan. He is from the engineering background. The laser shoe technology, a novel approach for the management of the diabetic peripheral neuropathic pain. India is called as the capital of the diabetes mellitus. At present, according to the World Health Organization statistics, we have more than 72 million people are suffering with the type 2 diabetes mellitus. Among the various microvascular complications of the type 2 diabetes mellitus, the peripheral neuropathy is one of the major complications associated with the type 2 diabetes mellitus. According to the survey, almost 24 to 49% of the people with the type 2 diabetes mellitus are suffering from the peripheral neuropathic pain. The peripheral neuropathic pain is associated with various other complications which affects the quality of the life. It reduces the function. The most important and the challenging complication is if it is ignored, it leads to the ulceration and subsequently the amputation of the foot. In India, more than every 20 to 30 seconds, we are losing one of the structure of the lower limb, mainly because of the type 2 diabetes mellitus. Therefore, there is a need for us to develop a cost-effective, non-pharmacological approach to manage the neuropathic pain. Here, we are proposing the new laser shoe technology, a novel approach or the solutions to the management of the peripheral neuropathic pain. This laser shoe technology is a unique one. According to our survey, at present we don't have any of these solutions even in the Indian or the global market. This novel approach is designed specifically to manage the neuropathic pain. The advantage of this is the patients can sit and take the treatment. In the existing modalities, the patient needs to lie down supine or the prone position. Sometimes with the obesity or with the associated complications, it may be challenging for the patients to lie down in that position. Therefore, considering the magnitude of the problem, we have proposed this solution. It consisting of the laser diode and also the laser with the two important wavelengths in the visible range as well as with the infrared range. This has been incorporated in the specific area of the plantar and the dorsal aspect of the foot. The most important thing is in the sitting position, the patients can insert the foot in the laser shoe technology and we are irradiating it for the 10 to 12 minutes daily for a minimum of 10 days. The specific advantage of this laser shoe technology is it helps in reducing the pain and improving the microcirculation. Why I am stressing the point of microcirculation is in the type 2 diabetes mellitus, microcirculation is the major challenge for all the microvascular complications. Therefore, if we improve the microcirculations, most of the time these problems can be reversible. This solution is already, the prototype have been developed and we have validated with the patients populations with the various outcome measures and we found an excellent result. And this product is now ready for the commercialization. The most important thing is it is an indigenous product and looking at the magnitude of the problems in the Indian population, we need an indigenous solutions to treat this neuropathic pain. This product is cost effective as compared to the various laser devices available in the market. We wanted to reach all the segment of the populations of in India. It may be a low, middle or the high income group. This product is also, we have completed the commercialization process, patent process and also in a short period it will be ready for the commercialization.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we heard from Dr. Arun Maiya. Now we will move on to the jury for the questions.
Dr. Maiya, is it a pain management or a pain prevention?
It works in both the aspect. Even in the neuropathic pain, it can be treated to reduce the pain. And in the early stage of neuropathy, we can use it as a preventive strategy.
Sir, what is the cost for the patients to take it per visit and how many visits are required for them to take it?
A minimum of 300 rupees is per session.
Okay.
Ideally, they need 10 sessions continuously they need to come. That is the Based on our own clinical trial, what we observed is by 5th to 7th day, there is a reduction in the pain, as well as we can also see the improvement in the microcirculation. Therefore, we set a minimum of 10 days of is the minimum treatment duration.
Okay. Currently, do you have any tie-up with any institutes for the testing?
Yeah, we have been tested with the other hospitals also, basically to conduct a blinded trial.
Dr. Arun, congratulations, a wonderful idea.
Thank you, sir.
I was listening to your presentation. Do you think it is enough for you to commercialize your product?
This is the one thing is as a pilot testing we have proposed the 60 sample. However, as you said, sir, we wanted to do the multi-center trial. We wanted to conduct a blinded trial, thereby there should not be any bias in the reporting of the outcome of the things.
See, laser technology has been there for a while, right? So how come it was not invented so far, and what is that uniqueness about your product?
So in our center, considering with my podiatry experience and the fellowship, we introduced the concept of the foot care. When we start treating these patients from the last 7 to 8 years, we observed that the neuropathic problem is a major burden in the people. Therefore, we have proposed this technology.
Can you throw some light on your sales strategy?
One thing is this novel technology is not available in the other hospital setup as of now. So therefore, we also need to provide a good visibility. In the initial stage, we wanted to focus mainly on the hospitals and the nursing homes or the other healthcare centers. Once we stabilize that, then we wanted to reach the people directly to the home.
Okay. Have you done enough study on your global competition?
Yes, we have done a market, thorough literature review we conducted. As of now, we don't have any specific technology exclusively for the foot.
I want to take forward what Mr. Galbhavi has said. Now, the moment you release your product, how difficult it is for a competitor to copy it and build it? What is so proprietary about your product?
Yeah, that actually, sir, we have a specific technology, especially from the placement of the sensor. That's a novel technology or the novelty in our product that we have not disclosed to the market. Therefore, even if the competitor comes, may not be able to see where exactly the placement of the sensor and where exactly we have to treat.
And second follow-up question, how do you plan to manufacture this? Do you have the scale or resources to manufacture, or have you thought of something?
At present, we have been attached with one of the industry partners.
This is an amazing product. As
Thank
you
you,
rightly said, diabetic is one of the major diseases coming up in India, and it's going to be there for many more years. And for all the diabetic patients, I think that pain management is a very, very important thing, and addressed a very important problem of the diabetic patient. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all, sir.
Wonderful initiative.
Thank you, sir.